Have you ever had this experience as a pet parent where you ask your dog for something you know they know how to do, like, Marlo, sit? And you know they know how to sit, but they're just not doing it. Dogs are terrible at generalizing, meaning a sit at home or a sit in your driveway is completely different than being out here in a new neighborhood. So what does this mean? It simply means to not be so frustrated. You're not doing a bad job. Your dog isn't being stubborn. They just need a refresher. Marlo, sit. Yes, good girl. Lots of positive reinforcement and just practice. This is a great way to give your dog enrichment. And if you'd like to learn more tips and tricks like this, make sure you follow me, Rachel Fusaro.